that a box of Lucky Charms or a box of Luckies?
It's a box of Luckies. I was going to take a box and fill it full of socks. And when he got in there and opened it, it would be full of socks.
Blow his little mind.
Blow his little mind.
I'm gonna eat some more.
Eat some more. Oh, head. Oh, head. Cupcake kid.